Once, he was just a cat everyone underestimated. Too small, too weak, too easy to ignore. They laughed, they doubted, and they walked past him without ever looking back. But while the world was watching others shine, he was working in silence. No applause, no witnesses, just discipline and determination. Night after night, step after step, he pushed beyond his limits, not to prove them wrong, but to prove himself right. And then, everything changed. When he returned, he didn't raise his voice. He didn't seek revenge. His growth spoke for him. Because true strength isn't about being seen, it's about becoming someone you once thought you could never be.